Yes, I'm back. We're gonna use what I'm gonna use. Respect. First of all, respect. Like you viewing, and I wish you good luck. First of all, you need a recorder. This is what I bought. You can buy this at Radio Shack. Recorder with a microphone. I'm gonna use my KUGE drum to do the background. I want to do the bass. I tried the bass guitar, and I want this one to be. If you look at my video, the one I did maybe 2 days ago, the praise is beautiful. I used a bass guitar. I went to a guitar store and used a bass guitar. Discover is not very fast for me because I didn't practice much. But this time around, for the one I'm going to record tomorrow, I don't want to give the name away. You got to come and see. Um, I'm going to use my KUGE drum for the bass, just like I used KUGE drum for Mandela, the one I did for Mandela. Okay, we're going to do that right now. First of all, you need this recording here. You need a playback boombox. So I'm going to take out my KUGE drum out, and I will just demo. I love this part. I like to play my KUGE drum. First of all, I have to see what I got to play. Let me check it out. All right. Yeah, you gotta do that. You gotta make it because what I want to do tomorrow is gonna be fast and furious. So I'm using that. Then after that, I gotta put my rhythm guitar for melee. Then I'm gonna have to melt it with some shakes and some cowbell and everything like that. I got my song ready. I could maybe I could have let's see this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Matriculele. La 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 oh. Oh la 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 oh. Hola. Yeah, in fact, you forget all these things. I don't know, maybe it's my age. I forget. So I put it down. So then I get on it. I get on it. It's gonna be fast and furious. You gotta come. You gotta come. You gotta come and see this. This is gonna be faster. You like this. You like this. Thank you. Respect. Thank you.